Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here by HiiFeuer. It is going to be some thigh armor. So we are going to open this up and put on our thigh armor. So you can see I'm already set up with the HiiFeuer armor, shoulder armor. So this is it here. Oh, this one here may take a little bit of figuring out how to wear this. Look at this strap. Oh, dropping pieces. I cannot drop stuff here because I have a puppy that will just grab anything. Okay, so here is our thigh armor, and it looks like it's going to be like this, and then go around our thighs and strap around. So we're going to have to figure this thing out here, and I will figure this right out, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, I've got my thigh armor figured out. Hopefully you can see me if I move this out of the way. Can you? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let me aim you down a little bit so you can actually see me. So this is it here. And you can see I've got the thighs over here, and so it can kind of like, block this area here. This strap here is way long right now. I'm too skinny, I guess, for this thing here, or I could probably wrap it around a second time even. To do it, but you get the idea. This is like an extra little strap here to go there, and I got my thigh armor, got my shoulder armor. All I need now is probably like a pouch or something. So super cool. Thumbs up. I like this thigh armor. It really looks good. I'm looking good.